Hello, Masquerader. I decided to make a RAM guide for you, and I will show how you can find out what RAMs you got or how fast they're running. So this is a typical uh, RAM, a picture of it, and this is of course the heatsink. And maybe on your RAMs you only see the green ugly plate, but it could hold the heatsink colors and shapes. The RAM there should be a sticker, and it's the ER3 1600 or 12,800. That's determined the megahertz on your RAMs. So one way to find out is this one, CPU ID, and I will put a link on the video on YouTube so you can download the program and find out what RAMs you got. And CPU set, it takes only 10 seconds to load and show you what CPU you got, what caches on your CPU, board, memory, speeds on your RAMs, how fast they're going, graphics card if you got any, and so on. But on the memory tab, you should, well, you could see on mine it's running at, well, 3300, 1700, 2000. It's working a lot because of the recording, but it's set for 1600, and because it's in two sockets, it's running dual, so 800 each or more if it needs, so it run faster, or it can run faster. That's one way. You can also take the side of your case, your tower case, and look for the sticker on your RAM. Even if it's green plate, you will be able to see it. You should also get this program here. Oh, sorry, this icon, and I will post a link for that also. And it's a hardware monitor to show how fast your things are running, how hot your CPU is. You can see this is my CPU i3, and you can just post a little plus there, and it will show how many volts it's running, how hot it is, how many watts it's using. And you can also do that with your RAM. It's only showing all of my RAMs, so two sticks. It's only 27 Celsius at this point. You can also see Fahrenheit, which you use in California or United States, so you should be covered. It's two free programs to download. Pretty neat to find out what you got. And as on your profile on Twitch, you run 7. You're not gonna get a lot of frames per second on your screen, but it will help you computer or your CPU when you stream to go a little faster when the RAM is getting faster. So CPU or the graphics card won't run so hot. Uh, the RAM is helping with the work a lot faster at the 1600. That's 1000 megahertz more, which is bad, I'm sure. But the motherboard, inside this one, get another motherboard. I saw a picture of it here. It's your motherboard. Got two memory banks and one PCI Express port. And graphics card, it's almost out here. There's no room in this slot for anything. I would get a bigger card. Prefer this one for you. dollars maybe. Card. CPU works with it, and see if I can. So there we are. Got 4 memory banks. You got four PCI Express ports, so got a lot of room. And also for expansion, capture cards, 4 sticks of RAM, and pretty good audio. A lot of USB SATA ports, USB ports, the audio. Pretty neat. I had this one before I changed this one. It rocks. But I will post a link on your Twitch account for the YouTube video, and hope you enjoy it. See you next time.